Hello everyone! Today let's talk about a common mistake made while learning and using English. There, and there. The reason that this mistake is made is because it is a homophone, words that sound the same but have different meanings. The first there is used as a contraction of they are. One use of there is with a verb ending in ing. For example, they're watching a movie, or they're going to the park. Another use of there is with an adjective. For example, they're tall, or they're very cool. The second there is used as either an adverb or a pronoun. As an adverb, it is used to refer to a place/location. For example, look over there, or are we there yet? As a pronoun, it is used to introduce the subject of a sentence. For example, there are 5 ducks in the pond, or there's a cat in my lap. The third there is used as a third-person possessive pronoun. It refers to the belonging to or associating with a group of people or things. For example, their party was fun, or the ducks sat in their pond. Thank you and have fun learning. Bye bye!